Hello friends! Today is a video I said I was going to do honestly months ago, but I just never could put together something that I liked and weather got in the way. So what was going to be a fall Animal Crossing lookbook is a spring Animal Crossing lookbook, and we will get right into it. The first look I created was Celeste, and the jacket was gifted, the dress was from Wet Seal, the shoes were Converse, the bow was gifted, the purse was from Payless, and the tights were thrifted. For the makeup, I used I Heart Revolution's Strawberry Cheesecake palette, which is so great because it smells like strawberries. The second look I did was Reese, and I threw a little bit of Cyrus in there with the blue, but I picked the overalls from Forever 21, the shirt was a DIY, the socks were from Joanne's Valentine's Day stuff, the shoes were thrifted, and the hat is a Jesse McCartney hat. The eye makeup I used also came from the I Heart Revolution Strawberry Cheesecake palette. The third look I did was sort of all three of the Able sisters combined into one design that I drew on the lovely Mabel. And the shirt is from Forever 21, the jeans are from Old Navy, the shoes are from TJ Maxx, and the bow was borrowed. The eyeshadow palette I used was I Heart Revolution's Macaroon palette. The fourth outfit is KK Sliders, which I still drew on him because I think he could rock a romper. And the romper is from Kohl's, the shirt is thrifted, the docks are from Journeys, they're actually kids, but they have them in kids and women's. And the guitar is borrowed from Athena, and the socks I bought online. The eyeshadow for that look is actually two palettes. It is the BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights and Galaxy Chic palettes. The last, but definitely not least, and possibly my favorite look, was Isabel, and the jacket was thrifted. The skirt is actually a skirt from Forever 21. The shoes are from Payless, the camisole is also from Forever 21, and surprise, the hair tie is from Forever 21. The eye makeup for her was I Heart Revolution's Lemon Drizzle. Those are all of the looks I came up with for this video. So hopefully you enjoyed seeing some of the villagers' aesthetics rearranged into different outfits. And if you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. And also a very happy spring. And let me know how pumped you are for another Animal Crossing game.
Ma'am, pay attention. This is for you. Lydia. Zooms in on Athena's toes. It's for the curious cats.
Shut up!
She is tortured.
She's baby.
Ma'am, your baby.